Are you talented in the field of fashion design? Then we can expand your skills. A fast-growing establishment with more than 15 years of experience. We have our establishment in every major towns in Kerala. Expert teachers, classrooms with state-of-the-art facilities, hostel facilities, grooming specialist and excellent grooming attitude are our backstories. Gitd, the top fashion designing institute in Kerala. A career in fashion design is a dream for many students. A strong academic foundation and plenty of hands-on experience from Gitd, the best fashion design college in Kerala, can yield an extremely lucrative career with unlimited scope. Opportunities to showcase one's talent and creativity are growing at a rapid pace in the field of fashion designing. For the passionate and dedicated aspirants from this domain can attain a pretty sublime career which satisfies artistic mind as well as monetary needs. Fashion designing courses at Gitd Kerala has a unique curriculum that equips a student with all the knowledge and skills needed to sustain in today's fashion designing industry. Gitd offers the most professional fashion designing courses in Kerala. We help integrate the creative talents of aspiring designers with demands of the fashion industry to offer the best output for luxury as well as affordable fashion. The course syllabus is designed to provide the skill set required to be a successful fashion designer as well as firmly establish the entrepreneurial spirit. Our courses: Professional Diploma in Fashion Designing, Advanced Diploma in Fashion Designing, Diploma in Fashion Designing, Online Marketing Expertization and Boutique Management, Professional Diploma in Beautician, Advanced Diploma in Beautician, Diploma in Beautician, Pre-Primary Teachers Training Course. Why are you waiting for? Book your admission at Gitd, the best skill education institute in Kerala.